Hello, my name is Aaliyah Golden. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best noodle. But this is my opinion. I hope it's your good opinion too. So, the material you need is, of course, your favorite noodles. And then you need a bowl. And then you need pepper. This is whole black pepper grinder. And this is garlic sea salt grinder. If you're not even showing it on the screen. There. Okay. First, you need to crack up your noodle. Sorry, it's going to take a few, like about a minute. So this can give you time to crack up your noodles too. Okay, there. So, after you crack it up as best as you can, just run it through your fingers. Just run it through your fingers. If you feel any big chunks that you do not want, just crack them. Make sure it's soft. There. And then, you take the bowl, you go over to the sink. Usually I do not use hot, and my handles are not really that good because this is the cold water and this is the hot. You can even check for yourself. Oh yeah, your finger's blocking. Okay. See, that's hot, if you can see. And that's cold. So I'm going to take some cold water. Fill it up right about here. And then you go back to the table, and then if you have the same kind, then you start shaking it. Is your finger blocking? Then you start shaking it up, and then at the bottom you'll see like a little pepper, and then you open it, and you put this in your finger. If you see these little black chunks, then put 3 of them in there. Exactly 3. 1, 2, and then you take, you actually use 2 black ones, then you take one of the white ones, and then put it in. And then I accidentally put a little bit too much in, but then you put the cap back on. You take this. I don't know how you open it, but oh, put some in your hand, and then you do this till you see some on your hand. Then you sprinkle it on top. Then you just wipe your hands over the garbage, put the cap back on, and you open your noodle pack. Take the sugar packet out, well, the seasoning. I know how to talk. Okay, then you put the noodles in. Sorry, I kind of made a little bit of a mess. Then wipe it into the garbage. If your mom does not like big messes, which is my mom, then you kind of just like spread it. Then you open your seasoning packet. And then you open it like this. About like this. And then you tip it over just a little bit like sideways. And then start sprinkling it a little bit of on top of each noodle. Okay, Okay, then you swipe it into the garbage, and then you open your microwave, then you put it in there. Wait, just so you know, it'll supposed to be look like this when you put the seasoning packet on. But that's okay if you get one big chunk. Then you put in for 4, 0, 0. Well, you don't actually do that. You do 4, 1, 0. And then just let it stand there. And I'll make another video of how it tastes. So, bye!
Bye.